Now let's give out an award. The Campus Connector Award recognizes individuals affiliated with educational institutions who are leveraging on and off campus resources to pin out startups and retain our entrepreneurial students. Your Campus Connector finalists are Judy Albers, Van Arsdale Chair of Entrepreneurship at SUNY Geneseo, and most recently a business advisor to Vertimine, a Rochester-based clean energy company. Jim Joseph, the Dean of the Madden School of Business at Moyne College and Special Assistant to the President. The Madden School continues to innovate and as seen in several initiatives, including their continued partnership with Startfast Venture Accelerator. And Rick Notagiacomo, an adjunct professor at RIT and the Director of Venture Creations, which is a technology business incubator that supports seed and mid-seed startups. Your 2008 Campus Connector is Jim Joseph. Now, I did receive a what's up message from Jim. He is he's out of the state and he's not able to be here with us today, but we've got so many of his lovely students that are here to support him and say a few words.
So we're all happy to be here to receive this award for Jim. I can say, having worked for another person within academia, Liz Liddy, who gets it, I can say that Jim is someone else who gets it. So here at Moyne to help build something into the future under Jim's guidance, and so far, it's going pretty well.
It is my pleasure to speak on behalf of Dean Joseph, though it is extremely difficult because one doesn't know where to start. Over the last few months of building our startup in Syracuse as a part of StartFast program, we have been extremely lucky to have been in the company of amazing mentors and advisors. And Dean Joseph, without doubt, has been an amazing pillar of support. We have gone to him with countless problems, and he has always, every time, greeted us with a smile and helped us solve these problems in the journey of building this startup. Under his leadership and advice, we had countless other startups and I'm sure there'll be a lot more startups that will make Syracuse and Central New York their new home. I wish him all the best for his future endeavors, and I believe under his leadership, both Madden School and the ecosystem of startups in Central New York will grow. Thank you.